Okay, Kitty, you are like the worst predator cat ever. Because right outside, there's a rat darting back and forth. Right, no, seriously, out there. Don't come to me, the rat's out there. Thought it was a leaf. It was not a leaf. It was a rat. Seriously, he keeps darting back and forth. See him? Poking his little head out. Right there. And the cat was lying there the entire time. Lame. And Coda, you're really not any better. Where's your prey drive? You bark at like everything. And there's a rat outside and you're just chilling. Coda, seriously, over here. Over here. There's a rat. There's a rat. Right there. Right there. It just did it again. It's probably nesting in my wrapping paper. Lovely. Ah. See, I know you see it. Now you see it. Took the human over here pointing it out to you.